The Specter camera drone makes it easy to observe from the sky with its included full HD 1080p camera and easy touch controls for max stability while you capture amazing photo and video. One of our best performing drones with camera and GPS. Fully loaded GPS drone with camera. Slip the Surly bonds with the F200C Specter GPS drone, equipped with an HD 1080p camera for high-def ready-to-fly action right out of the box. Altitude hold, 1-key takeoff and landing plus intelligent orientation control, IOC, take control quickly and easily with 1-key lift, land, altitude hold for easy hover and IOC, aka headless mode, for more stable flight. Advanced brushless motor technology, get more efficiency, durability and power with the latest in brushless quadcopter design, though still great drones for beginners. 3 amazing return home, RTH, functions, fly without fear with 3 return home functions that bring your drone back, 1-key return, low power return and low signal return. Full HD 1080p camera included, the Specter is so easy to use you'll be, almost, hands-free in no time so you can focus on capturing amazing video and photographs with the included HD 1080p camera. Luminous LED lights, watch the Specter light up the night when it takes flight after dusk. Take to the skies today with an RC drone for kids and pros alike. Complete with a powerful 2.4 GHz two-way connection and LCD remote screen readout for max control.